Hi sweeties, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel. It's finally spring and I'm ready to tackle all the spring cleaning and tidying that I need to do in my house because it's been stressing me out for the last couple of seasons. So be sure to stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. So first things first, we're going to start off with my sewing nook corner. I haven't really used this area since I stopped sewing in 2018 when I stopped going to fashion school. Yeah, so I've been dreading tidying and cleaning up this area, but maybe doing so will get me in the mindset of going back to my old habits and maybe try sewing again. Who knows? In the meantime, I'm taking everything out, cleaning my sewing machine, and then putting everything out into the living room to put each item in its own individual home. And that could be in the living room, the kitchen, the bathroom. We live in a studio, so there isn't that many places to put stuff in. So we'll see how that goes. Next, we have the kitchen, which honestly doesn't need that much deep cleaning. It just needs a little bit of organization and some spot cleaning. Nothing too intensive, but because I was so exhausted from cleaning my sewing nook, the first thing we need to do before cleaning the kitchen is coffee. So like I said, the kitchen doesn't need that much deep cleaning, just wiping down the surfaces, organizing my breads and stuff that's on my counter, and of course you can't clean the kitchen without doing some dishes. And honestly, I love doing dishes. It's weirdly therapeutic for me, but if there's too many, then I would probably go ahead and actually use my dishwasher as a dishwasher and not a drying rack. How many people actually use their dishwasher? Is that just an Asian thing where we use it as a dish rack, or am I the only one here that actually wants to use my dishwasher? So after my dishes are done and the kitchen is all organized, I'm going to go ahead and go straight and show you guys our pantry, which is mostly our house of ramen and snacks aisle. And we have our washing machine here and our litter box for our cats. So, you know, this place gets a lot of traffic. I'm just gonna go here and organize some things. I was thinking about making a ramen library for Eugene's ramen collection. I do some of these ramens are actually mine too, but you know, it's mostly Eugene's, so I wanted to make it look nice and organized and pretty, and you know, and there wasn't actually that many things that needed to get thrown out either. I was worried that there was going to be some expired goods in here, but there aren't, so yay, it's just a organized ramen library now. And last but not least, the last place in our house that we need to clean or tidy is our bathroom. And I think I dreaded this more than my sewing nook because it is so disorganized underneath our bathroom sink. Like our kitchen, it didn't really need a lot of deep cleaning or anything that needed cleaning supplies out, so it was just a lot of organization, and it's a very cramped space, and because I'm obese now, it's really hard to, you know, get in this area and try to clear out everything. So all I really did was take out everything, look at everything we had, and try to organize it as best as I could based on what we reach for the most, what we use the most, and also eventually I will go ahead and empty out all these expired makeup because I had all this makeup from before the pandemic, so it's probably expired. So let's get rid of that one day. Not today, but one day.
Hey sweeties, it's Elle. It's a few days later because I forgot to film an outro. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my spring cleaning video. It was mostly a lot of tidying, not a lot of deep cleaning because my house didn't really need that much deep cleaning. But let me know down in the comments below what was your favorite part of the video and what kind of spring cleaning do you need to do left in the house, alright? Like I said, like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!